Solana is a web-scale blockchain that provides decentralized apps and marketplaces that are quick, safe, and scalable. 50,000 transactions per second and 400 millisecond block times are currently supported by the system. The Solana software's overarching purpose is to demonstrate that there is a feasible set of software algorithms that may be combined to form a blockchain. As a result, transaction throughput would rise proportionally with network capacity, achieving all of the blockchain's desired properties: scalability, security, and decentralization. Furthermore, the system can accommodate 710,000 TPS on a regular gigabit network and 28.4 million TPS on a 40 gigabit network. G'day everyone, this is Harry Axe. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to deep dive into Solana. And at the end of the video, there'll be plenty of price predictions. Watch this whole video to understand the ins and outs of Solana. Let's get straight into it. What is Solana? Solana is a highly functional open source project that leverages the permissionless feature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance solutions. While the idea and first work on the project began in 2017, the Solana Foundation, with headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland, formally launched Solana in March 2020. The Solana protocol is intended to make it easier to create decentralized apps. It intends to increase scalability by combining a proof of history consensus with the blockchain's underlying proof of stake consensus. Solana's novel hybrid consensus methodology has piqued the interest of both small-time and institutional traders. The Solana Foundation is committed to making decentralized finance more accessible on a bigger scale. Who are the founders of Solana? Anatoly Yakovenko is the driving force behind Solana. His professional career began with Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks and was promoted to senior staff engineer manager in 2015. Later in his career, his professional route evolved and Yakovenko began working as a software developer at Dropbox. In 2017, he began working on a project which eventually became Solana. He formed a partnership with his Qualcomm colleague, Greg Fitzgerald, and they established Solana Labs. The Solana protocol and SOL coin were released to the public in 2020, attracting numerous more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process. What makes Solana unique? Anatoly Yakovenko's proof of history consensus is one of the key breakthroughs Solana brings to the table. This idea provides for a higher protocol scalability, which improves usability. Solana is well known in the cryptocurrency community for its blockchain's extraordinarily fast processing times. Solana's hybrid protocol greatly reduces validation times for transactions and smart contract execution. Solana has also piqued the curiosity of institutional investors because of its lightning-fast processing times. The Solana protocol is designed to serve both casual users and enterprise customers. One of the key promises made by Solana to customers is that they will not be startled by higher fees and taxes. The protocol is meant to have low transaction costs while still ensuring scalability and quick processing. How is the Solana network secured? As I've explained, Solana is based on a one-of-a-kind combination of proof of history and proof of stake consensus processes. Solana protocol's key component is proof of history, which handles the majority of transaction processing. Proof of history records successful operations as well as the time elapsed between them, confirming the blockchain's trustworthiness. The proof of stake consensus is used to monitor the proof of history processes and certifies each sequence of blocks produced by it. Solana is a one-of-a-kind phenomenon in the blockchain industry due to the combination of these two consensus processes. What is the Solana token, SOL? The SOL coin serves as the native currency in the Solana ecosystem. As a result, the token can be passed between nodes in the Solana cluster in exchange for running on-chain programs or certifying their results. Solana can also be used to make micropayments known as Lamports. SOL currently has a circulating supply of 26 million. The maximum supply is 489 million. SOL has various applications, and you can stake the token to get further incentives. Staking is a great way for holders to invest their tokens to generate excess returns. The staking procedure is straightforward as follows. Tokens should be transferred to a wallet that supports staking. Set up a staking account. Choose a validator from the list of validators provided by Solana and then give the validator your stake. Where can you buy Solana? Solana can be purchased through most exchanges. The following are the top 10 exchanges Solana is currently listed on: Binance, OKX, Binance US, Huobi, Kraken, Gate.io, Coinbase Pro, Bitfinex, KuCoin, and HitBTC. Solana's NFT marketplace. While Ethereum has a plethora of successful NFT marketplaces, most notably OpenSea and Rarible, Solana is still in its early stages. Therefore, things are still fairly constrained for the time being. Having said that, Solana is quickly gaining traction, already providing a marketplace for 5 NFT collections with many more on the way. And its sales volumes appear to be increasing as a result of the Soul Punks and Degenerative Apes mania. Nifty Soul, the next marketplace to operate on Solana, is expected to launch next week, and it will first serve the existing, already popular NFT projects Solarians and Solana Monkey Business. At the moment, Solana NFTs cannot be purchased using MetaMask, which is primarily an Ethereum-based transactional wallet that can also be used with Binance Smart Chain and Polygon. However, there are Solana-specific wallets that work, such as Solette, Solflare, and Phantom. The Phantom wallet provides the most MetaMask-like experience for swapping and storing tokens and NFTs. Sol's current price analysis. The current price of Solana is around $78 with a market cap of around $22 billion. Solana has seen almost a 4x spike since the middle of July, which is great news for early investors. While the rest of the crypto market was down in June and July, Solana has managed not only to maintain its value, but increase its price. Solana is currently ranked 10th in CoinMarketCap's rating as of August 2021, thanks to the prolonged professional knowledge brought to the project by developers Anatoly Yakovenko and Greg Fitzgerald. Sol price predictions. According to experts, Solana has huge growth potential and is expected to hit the $300 mark by 2025. Here are some quotes from Solana's price predictions. From Wallet Investor, they predict a price of $343 by 2026. From RippleCoinNews.com, they predict $300 by 2025. DigitalCoinPrice.com sees Solana at $292 by 2028. And UpToBrain.com sees $200 for Solana in the near future. Whatever the price ends up being, there seems to be plenty of hype around Solana. Definitely one you should think about having in your portfolio. Solana and their entire ecosystem, including NFTs, are definitely one to watch. Make sure to subscribe. I'll be putting out plenty more Solana videos, and I'll be covering many more of the new generation cryptos. So be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss those. Let me know all your thoughts and comments down below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.